Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Caesar, the Dr. Jones. We're gonna do a nice little quick challenge. The challenge that we're doing right now is called the Magma Gap and Shotgun Challenge. It's a 1v1 challenge. Me and my man's up here about to do it. It goes straight like this. You can't go down until like round 40. You have to make it to round 40 without going down. The only two guns you can use is the Magma Gap and the shotgun. That's it. No perk ups, no perkaholics. Get it done, baby. We about to get the challenge done right now. You ready? Let's go. Blood of the dead, people. Yeah. Nah, they can't hear you through the game set. I'm on the phone doing it.